habibty, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel with Afni shiroji. So today I'm gonna make a tutorial like how you're wearing a scarf, like simple one. Wearing my scarves, sometimes I change the style. So if you're new on my video, don't forget also for subscribe on my channel and hit bell notification down below so you can get the new upgrade from my video. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up before you leave. So let's move on to the tutorial. First, you just divide it two. This is chiffon. You just do like this. You don't need pin actually, like you just tag this one on the back. And you just thread here. So you get one simple and second, how I do it. You take this up and you pin in here. Third one, I like to make it this more short. I do like this. Put this under here. And you just put this, the last one, under here. The fourth one, you just make sure it's safe, like this. Because you just need one, then you're gonna using again. And you just tag this. And you do it like this. And you just mix with the needle before, the first time you use it. Then you got the long one, like this. Five. Short one and the long one. You just pin. Sometimes I do like this. You take this to the back. Make sure it's secure. And you pin this one. Actually, you don't need to pin, you just put like this and put under here. It's really secure. So you got like Turkish style. I'm not the Turkish, but I like this style. Number 6, next. I'm using this one. And I do like this and put in my head like this. And I'm gonna pin like this. Just taking it from back, half, like this. And I'm just put over here 2 of this. Just tie like this. So if you're using like blazer or dress, it's covered here, it's good. It's really simple. You can using something else like pin over here. Another one I can do, I'm just leave everything to my right side. And I'm doing this. And drag to here. So you can have this look. So yeah, that's all. Hope you enjoy watching my video. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. See you in my next video. Habibty. Assalamualaikum.